Okay, I got both wheels off, both rotors. This one turns smoothly. There's a little bit of slop or play. But the other side is weird. Almost tripped and fell. And there's a lot more play. And it's really hard to turn, and it does turn, but it's like sticky, you know? It doesn't turn easily. It's really hard to turn backwards. So I don't know what's wrong. Maybe it's inside the transmission. Who knows? Anyway, I'm going to put these new pads on and see if that makes any difference. I don't think it will. I hope it's nothing in the transmission. Maybe it's just a CV joint. I don't know. Here's the driver's side again. Anyway, any help you guys can give, I'd sure appreciate it. Here's the passenger side again. It will not turn by hand. I have to use a pry bar to turn it. And it's really hard to turn. I mean, relatively, you know. Made kind of a squeaking noise. Yeah, it will not turn by hand like the other side.